Hi all, welcome back on Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In today's video, I'm sharing with you yet another interesting recipe and a very famous milk cake recipe, but with a twist. That is, I'm making this with the leftover ghee residue. Let's begin. Here I've taken about 2/3 cups of ghee residue. This is the leftover. Once you prepare the ghee, you will get that leftover, so I've used that. Just give it a pulse and grind it coarsely. Don't make it very fine. Now heat a pan and add the ground ghee leftover or the ghee residue. Stir it for a while and the ghee will start oozing out. You have to not add any more fats. We can make it with this itself. Next, I'll be adding in half cup of mawa or khoa just to increase the quantity. If you have too much quantity of ghee residue, then you no need to add this mawa or khoa. You can directly make it with the ghee residue. Give it a mix and stir it for a while. Keep on breaking the lumps if any. Eventually it will become soft, so don't worry about it. Now as you can see, it's well combined. At this point I'll be adding 1 cup of milk powder. I have used here the Nido milk powder. You can use any milk powder of your choice. Give it a mix. Mix it thoroughly. And here I'll be adding about 1/4 cup of raw sugar. This is less sweetened as compared to the processed sugar. You can use processed sugar as well. Give it a mix again. This is a very quick milk cake recipe and very tasty as well. Now as you can see, I'm breaking the lumps if any and mixing it thoroughly just for about 2 minutes. Then I added here the milk. This milk is about 1/4 cup. Adjust the consistency of the milk and you should get all the ingredients well combined. If you find the ingredients are still dry, then you can add a little more milk. Now mix it thoroughly. In some time you will notice all the ingredients are getting together. At this point I'll be adding 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Give it a mix. Now sweetness depends on you. If you want to increase the sweetness, you are always welcome. Give it a mix again. And this is the quick version of the milk cake. Again, keep on mixing and give it a stir. In some time you will notice the mixture will start leaving the pan. At this point I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for that nice flavor and aroma. Mix it properly. Traditionally, this milk cake is prepared by reducing the milk quantity, but this is the quickest version. And here I'll be adding in little rose essence or the rose water. This will be about 1 teaspoon. This is optional, you can omit it if you don't like the flavor. Give it a mix. And I will suggest you, if you use the non-stick pan or the heavy bottom pan when you are making this milk cake recipe, as there are low chances of getting stuck to the bottom. Now you can see the mixture is getting together and leaving out the pan. At this point you will notice that our mixture is ready, or the milk cake is ready to be set. This is coming all together, and we want this consistency when you're making the milk cake. Now pour this mixture into the mold. I have lined it with a parchment paper. Spread it evenly. And once it comes to the room temperature, you can refrigerate it for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Cut it into the shape or size of your choice. And isn't it a very quick recipe? And you can use the ghee residue as well without discarding it. I hope you like today's recipe. Please give it a try. Let me know your review in the comment section below. I will love to read it. Hit that like button if you like today's recipe. Share this recipe with your loved ones. And please consider subscribing if you have not subscribed so far. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next interesting videos. Take care. Bye bye.